What's going on, YouTube? What's going on? 99 Lincoln Town Car Signature Series, Misfire, Bank 1 and Bank 5. 9 times out of 10 it's going to be a spark plug or it's going to be a coil pack. Let's get in. So it's not a bad car at all, you know. It's got 160,000 miles on it. Needing code repair off of a Bank 1 or Misfire or Bank 5 Misfire. It's probably going to be an ignition coil packs or it's going to be a spark plugs, you know. So what I did was I go ahead and order some from Amazon, get you a nice set for a good deal, and start replacing those, you know what I'm saying. For the most part, you just replace all of them, replace your spark plugs so you can get good gas mileage. And it's an easy fix. There's a little bolt right there. It's a 7mm. Get you a 7mm, unscrew that, and then you take this part out, disconnect that, and then the coil pack will come out. I'll show you on the next one. So once you get it replaced and you got it in, the only thing you do is you screw this back down in there. Make sure it's good and tight. Not too tight. You don't want to break your intake, but make sure it's pretty much good and tight. Once it's all tight, it'll let you know it, and you're all set. Connect the piece back, which you had the piece unplugged in there. Connect that back. I put this back down in there because it's not any way anymore. Normally I would remove this. Okay, and then you're all set. Go ahead and take the other one out. This one back here. Only thing you do is, if you're needing a little space, sometimes these injectors will be in the way. You need a little space, you can always move the injector. It won't hurt it at all. You can put it back when you're done. Go ahead and unscrew it. Take that screw out. Once you get that screw out, it comes out. So once you get that screw out, like I say, you can pull it out from here. You can pull it directly out, or you can disconnect this. I'll just pull it on out first. It's a little dirty. Get it out. Then take this and disconnect it. You'll be all set. This don't look like a bad coil pack at all. I think I replaced one at the time. During that time, you know, it's best to change all of them out. Let's say after you get it changed out, still the hole. If it's a little dirty, you want to go ahead and clean it up. Again, it's a repetitive situation. After you got it cleaned out, you want to just go ahead and stick the new one in. You know, get the new one down in there as much as possible. And kind of just give it a little push and it'll go in. I know it seems like it's hard going under this fuel rail right here, but just give it a good snub. Once you feel it's got a good snub on it, push down on it real good to make sure that it's in there. Then you want to go ahead and put your screw back in. And put your screw back in. Try not to lose these screws anywhere, people. It'll be pain. I mean, it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to lose one of them screws. Go ahead and tighten it back down. Okay, now you get back. Look like it's trying to rain. I'm working outside, you know, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish it real quick. You just do the same thing for the other side, but you loosen this. You go ahead and get it loose, and you go back here and pull it out. The back's always a little harder, a little bit more difficult. I may need 2 hands. Give me just 1 second. Okay, so I needed both of my hands to reach back there to get this hose a little loose. See, sometimes they don't want to come loose. Go ahead and pull that baby out of there. Get it out of there, like so. Just repeat the same steps over and over till you do all of the coil packs and change the spark plugs while you're doing them if you need it. I recently just changed them, so I'm not gonna buy any more right now. So now that you have all 4 done on this side, repeat the same thing on the other side, and you'll have new coil packs installed in your vehicle. You know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much how you do that, man. So you know what I'm saying, you can have better spark better horsepower, you know what I'm saying? And for the most part, you'll have you know what I'm saying, you'll have better performance, better gas mileage,